2024 Chevy Trax has gained space and size and delivers even better value than before. Its dazzling redesign and enhanced safety features sweeten a once dreary subcompact. Every Trax is front-wheel driven and powered by a 137 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2024 Chevy Trax has more rear legroom and cargo space than before, and its starting price is, unusually, lower than the model it replaces. The 2024 Chevy Trax is back as a thicker crossover with more standard features than before. New inside and out, the 2024 Chevy Trax has a longer wheelbase with more rear legroom and increased cargo capacity. The 2024 Chevy Trax is now offered in 5 trim levels rather than just 2. Chevy uses the 137 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder from the Trailblazer this time around, giving the 2024 Chevy Trax 18 fewer horsepower than the previous model, a significant reduction when you have only 155 ponies to start with.